Hello, Doctor Who fans. I'm back again with 4 sonic screwdrivers. If you notice, 2 are the same. Let's see. I just did a video where I did this one. Oh, that extends. This is this here is the possibly the 9th Doctor Who Christopher Eccleston. This is what I wanted to show you, this one. Here, this one has 3 sounds. Listen carefully. That is the ultimate sound. Okay, that's not bad. That's just annoying. That's the ultimate. And this one kind of sounds like it's dying. And now this is, this one I think was the 9th Doctor, Doctor 9, we'll say. And then it was also the 10th, David Tennant. Also, this was his. And I love those sounds. So then he may have passed this to Matt Smith. I don't remember for sure, but this one is definitely Matt Smith's. Oh, now I gotta, okay, I popped extended the thing on this. So the button is down here when it's extended. Okay, or you push this back. It's back in place, and then you just, there's the right here. This is the button that ejects it. This upper thing ejects it. And this only has 2 sounds. This is probably, I like this better, this one, than the gray with the blue light. But it only has 2 sounds. The other one has 3. And that is just, that green light is just, it's mesmerizing. It's, what's the word? Enchanting. Remember the Enchantress in the Suicide Squad. And then a special attraction. What I do not know, I cannot tell you, and I do not know what or whose sonic screwdriver. I was going to say sonic TARDIS. That's what I need to invent, the sonic TARDIS, a sonic TARDIS. I don't know what the screwdriver, whose sonic this is, but it is awesome. It's almost a steampunk future look, and it's only a prop. It doesn't have a source, what you would call, or a engine, or whatever power. No power. It's more of a prop. I actually was putting these 2 together, and then I didn't know. I to my surprise, the 3rd piece here actually screwed into and locked. So this does actually, if you don't know, there are 3 packs, and they're interchangeable, and you can interchange parts to make your own different variations of sonic screwdrivers. So but this one is just a prop without the right inside compartment thing to power it up. but it's awesome looking. This is a great prop. And that's it, folks.